Shahed is a loitering munition developed by Iran, also known as a kamikaze drone, nicknamed the flying motorcycle. Its core design philosophy can be summed up in one sentence: to achieve efficient, long-range precision strikes at a very low cost. In the recent conflict that erupted on February 28, 2026, Iran used the Shahed 136 to attack the U.S. Fifth Fleet base located in Bahrain. According to Iranian media reports, this strike directly hit and completely destroyed the base's radar facility. Key specifications of the Shahed kamikaze drone: fuselage length approximate 3.5 m, wingspan approximate 2.5 m, takeoff weight approximate 200 kg, warhead approximate 30-40 kg. Powered by a piston engine driving a propeller, maximum speed 185 km/h. Maximum range over 2000 km, combat-proven range over 1000 km. Primarily relies on pre-programmed inertial guidance. Newer models may have added optical seekers, unit cost only around $30,000. Because this kamikaze drone is low cost and highly effective. Both Russia and the US have developed their own versions. Russia renamed it to the Typhoon II after adding radar-absorbent coating and AI modules. The US also conducted reverse engineering on captured Shahed 136 drones and produced the Locust drone replica. Then, on March 1, 2026, after the US began equipping its own Locust drones with Starlink terminals, they attacked multiple Iranian military facilities. But their effectiveness remains unclear.